everyone. We have prepared latest market updates for February the 2nd, 2023. JPMorgan says traders are skeptical about cryptos. The 7th edition of JPMorgan e-Trading Edit surveyed 835 traders from 60 different regions of the world about technical changes and macroeconomic factors that will affect trading results in 2023. As a result, 72% of institutional e-traders said they do not plan to trade cryptocurrencies, digital coins, in 2023. The survey revealed traders' hesitance to trade digital assets. Only 14% of respondents said they will either continue to trade them or start doing so this year. The remaining 14% of respondents said they do not plan to invest in digital assets this year, but may do so within the next 5 years. The vast majority of institutional traders surveyed by JPMorgan, 92%, said they did not have a single digital asset in their investment portfolio at the time of the survey, which was conducted from January the 3rd through 23rd. That may be because nearly half of respondents cited market volatility as the biggest challenge to their day-to-day success. Quantitative easing measures introduced by the U.S. Federal Reserve in 2022 may also have played a role. 22% of respondents cited problems with liquidity availability as the most influential factor hindering successful trading. Panasonic lowers forecast due to costly materials. Japan's Panasonic Holdings Corp. On Thursday lowered its full-year operating profit forecast by 12.5% after lower-than-expected third-quarter earnings, impacted by a slowing global economy and persistent high commodity prices. The company faces challenges amid a challenging global growth outlook as it seeks to further develop its energy business, which includes manufacturing car batteries for Tesla Inc. The conglomerate cut its operating profit forecast to 280 billion yen, $2.18 billion for the fiscal year to March the 31st from 320 billion yen. That compares with an average forecast of 335.98 billion yen by analysts surveyed by Refinitiv. Panasonic's third-quarter results, in which operating profit rose 16% to 84.4 billion yen for the 3 months ended 31st of December, were below the average forecast of 95.31 billion yen. Analysts at Jefferies said in a note before the release that the company's overly diverse business portfolio was under-focused and focused on low-margin, cyclical businesses. Oil rises on falling dollar and OPEC Plus cuts. Oil prices rose on Thursday after falling in the previous session as a weaker dollar restored appetite for risky assets, and OPEC Plus's decision to postpone production cuts helped ease fears of oversupply. Brent crude futures rose 0.8% to $83.49 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures rose 0.9% to $77.12 a barrel. Both benchmarks fell more than 3% overnight after U.S. government data showed a significant increase in crude and products inventories. The Federal Reserve raised its target interest rate by 1/4 of a percentage point on Wednesday, but continued to promise a permanent increase in the cost of borrowing as part of its fight against inflation. The U.S. dollar index fell to a new 9-month low on Thursday in response to a rate hike easing. The OPEC Plus group endorsed the oil producers group's current production policy at Wednesday's meeting, leaving in place the production cuts agreed last year amid hopes of increased demand from China and an uncertain outlook for Russian supply.